Hi, my name is Chef Daniel Gottschlich from Cologne, Germany, and this is my restaurant Ox und Klee. So this dish is, it's a grandmother's dish because earlier when I was a kid, my grandma was doing this, veal ragu with apple chutney, and there are also like potatoes and there are also noodles, so everything together. But now it's a little bit different. So first we have made this little bone here, and it's made from celeriac and bone marrow, and it's bind with agar-agar and put in this bone marrow mold, or in this marrow mold. And then comes the apple, which I just explained. It comes into this bone marrow. It's apple, fresh apple as a salad. We do like a apple gel, which is also in this salad, and a little bit of red onions, and also some chive and zest of lime to make it really fresh, because of course it's a little bit intense with the bone marrow to make it really fresh. And then we have the bone marrow, as usually when you cut it, then you see the bone marrow, which appears a little bit like this here, but this is something crispy. It's potato and capers, deep fried in oil, and then make this powder out of it. So that it really looks like a bone with the bone marrow from the top. So, and then we have this little kopek. It's a little kopek made from sweetbread of veal, because like I said, grandma did the veal as a ragu, and in this case here, it's this little cracker. And with the cracker we have bay leaf mayonnaise. And then because also we have the red onion gel. So, and we have also here pickled red onion. A little bit of fried nigella. And then we have some herbs. Some nice flowers. Makes it even more beautiful. And the last one here. A lot of bay leaf. now we have the bone marrow foam, which is made also from bone marrow and veal stock. Merci. Ravioli, because I was telling about the noodles grandma made. So this was like simple noodles, but this is a ravioli made with the ragu of grandma. Yeah, so there is braised shoulder and braised leg of the veal, and this now we put into the bone marrow foam and let it swim in there. So, and now it will be the last part. So, and this is the veal fillet. It's from Hohenloher veal, from the near of here. Very nice piece, just slowly cooked, and then put it beside the bone marrow. And now the last part is the sauce. Before it was a ragu, so there was always sauce with it, but this is preserved black winter truffle we have in a strong consommé, so it's a very light sauce, but so light but also strong, very strong in taste. Molten sea salt on top of the veal, and that's it. Enjoy.